Hello everybody and welcome to the Ango Cooking Show. A very different one today, very different. It's kind of not a recipe, it's not a review, it's a kind of hybrid. So what we're doing is a cooking lesson around my friend's house. Yes, we are allowed, only one of me going. A cooking lesson. So Chef Ryan Clift from the Tippling Club basically sends you all the ingredients around your house and you cook them, but you actually get trained by the master chef himself, Chef Ryan, through a Zoom. So I'm desperately excited about this. I can't wait. I'll be able to tell you a bit more about things like the menu, etc. shortly, once I get around my friend's house and I can show you the box of ingredients, the goodies that we're going to be preparing, the menu, etc. But super excited. This is a first, has to be a first, a review of a cooking lesson online through Zoom from Chef Ryan of the world famous Tippling Club. I thank you. And of course, the obligatory, don't forget to click things, like things. What do you do? I don't know, join the club, ring the bell, make a comment, please make a comment, and subscribe, that's the word. And like it if you like it. If you don't like it, don't like it, but give me a comment as to why not. No. Nice. So as you can see, this is it. Here's Luke's. Here's our workstation. Sorry, there's Luke's with the Tippling Club shirt on. That didn't come as part of the package, by the way. But all this does. Look at this. You get all these little bits and bobs and like your little own mise en place. So this is going to be for the Scotch eggs. I'll show you the menu a little bit later. I've got a picture of it. And then you get instructions. And then Andrew, where is he? Andrew Loudon, who's one of the chefs at Tippling, is going to be walking us through how you cook all this stuff and turn it into this amazing stuff, like number one. Look at that. Scotch egg. Number two, bit of fish and chips with mushy peas, nice. And number three, oh, what's that? Number three, oh no. Number three is a trifle, anyway, which looks pretty cool. Somewhere or other. But yeah, how cool is that? Oh, there's me. You can see me on the screen. Oh, this is a good one. I love it. Okay, I don't know, something like 5 hours later. That was amazing. Yeah, 3-4 cocktails, I don't know what happened there. An amazing cooking experience. That was crazy, so good. I would do that again in a heartbeat, to have that experience with the chefs and mixologists and just incredible. It's something you have to do. I don't give a shit if we're locked down or not locked down or whatever. That is something you have to do. Tippling Club, rock on. That was amazing. Thank you so much.